Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of roasted gram. Roasted gram, also known as roasted chana, is a popular snack that is enjoyed in many parts of the world. It's made by roasting Bengal gram, a type of legume that is commonly used in Indian cuisine. Roasted gram is a great source of nutrition and has many health benefits. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 benefits of roasted gram and why you should consider adding it to your diet. Number 1. Rich in protein. Roasted gram is an excellent source of protein, with approximately 7 grams of protein per 30 gram serving. This makes it an excellent snack for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough protein in their diet. Protein is an essential nutrient that is needed for the growth and repair of tissues in the body. It is also necessary for the production of enzymes, hormones, and other important molecules. Number 2. Lowers cholesterol. Roasted gram contains soluble fiber which binds with the bile acids in the gut and helps eliminate them. This reduces the cholesterol levels in the body, especially LDL or bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Soluble fiber also helps to reduce blood pressure and inflammation. Number 3. Helps in digestion. The soluble fiber in roasted gram also promotes digestive health. It can increase good gut bacteria in the body, which improves gut health and reduces the risk of digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). The fiber content in roasted gram also helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Roasted gram has a low glycemic index, which means it releases glucose into the bloodstream slowly. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and is especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Roasted gram is also high in fiber, which slows down the absorption of glucose and reduces the risk of spikes in blood sugar levels. Number 5. Boosts immune system. Roasted gram is rich in zinc, a mineral that is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Zinc helps in the production of white blood cells, which are important for fighting off infections and diseases. Zinc also has anti-inflammatory properties which help to reduce inflammation in the body. Number 6. Good for bones. Roasted gram is a good source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. It also contains magnesium, which helps the body absorb calcium. These minerals are important for maintaining bone health and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 7. Promotes weight loss. Roasted gram is low in calories and high in fiber, which makes it an excellent snack for people who are trying to lose weight. It keeps you full for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Roasted gram is also a good source of protein, which helps to increase satiety and reduce cravings. Number 8. Reduces the risk of heart disease. The fiber, potassium, and magnesium content in roasted gram can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Potassium and magnesium help lower blood pressure, while fiber reduces cholesterol levels. High blood pressure and high cholesterol are two major risk factors for heart disease. Number 9. Anti-cancer properties. Roasted gram contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. They help protect cells from damage and prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. The antioxidants in roasted gram also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to the development of cancer. Number 10. Promotes skin health. Roasted gram is rich in vitamin E, which is essential for healthy skin. It helps in the production of collagen, which keeps the skin supple and youthful looking. So there you have it, the top 10 benefits of roasted gram. As you can see, roasted gram is a nutritious and tasty snack that offers many health benefits. Whether you are looking to improve your digestive health, manage your blood sugar levels, or boost your energy, roasted gram is a great choice. So why not add it to your diet today? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness videos.